Hey guys, welcome to my first vlog. Today I'm going to 7-Eleven to sell this. I'm leaving now, but I'm going to my cousin house first to fix my bike and pick him up. At yun, nagkasalubong pa nga kami. We are leaving now because I already fixed my bike. Barangay Pagalngani, oh. We're not speeding because we're not wearing clutch and helmet. We are jempoy. Kasi we might get into an accident if we speed. And my cousin want me to kill him, so I gave him what he want. This is the result. Watch.
Sin City wasn't made for you.
We are here in Sepnas and have a heavy traffic. Malapit na nga pala kami sa plaza kaya medyo matraffic. Nasa meeting place na nga pala kami guys. Hinihintay na lang yung buyer. Pumunta nga pala kami sa 7-Eleven para tumambay at magpalamig. Nabinta na nga namin. Uuwi na nga rin kami. At dito ko na rin nga pala tatapusin ang video na to.